Hi everyone, welcome to Automite. This time I'm going to show you something even more amazing than I did in my previous video. This is a package from a company called ULINE that sells wholesale shipping supplies. Whenever you order something from them at a certain amount, they send you a free gift that you choose. And this one, I believe it's a calendar, free calendar. So I'm going to open it up right now and we'll see. But imagine a calendar, piece of paper / cardboard in this huge box. Now this could have been sent with the order that I made, but they didn't. They chose to send it separately. And look at this. Look at this beauty right here. Look at all this waste. This is all plastic. Look at that. It is a calendar. Now what's gonna happen with this calendar if they just sent it in an envelope? Nothing. Even if it's wrinkled somewhere, who cares? It's just a calendar. Why waste all this? Plus the box. That's a huge box. So much material for absolutely nothing. Why do people have to do these kinds of things? Why not use your common sense? Why does there always have to be regulations for people to do the right thing? Why not just use your common sense and put it in some kind of an envelope or something small, and just put a sticker on it and just send it, or just send it with the order they made already, so you don't have to do a separate one. Anyway, thank you for watching.